Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to be delving into an area that can seem daunting when you're tasked with manufacturing a product, sourcing materials. We're going to break down the most effective methods for finding the right materials for your product, from trade shows to online directories to leveraging professional recommendations. We'll also cover some essential groundwork you should do before starting your search for a vendor. So, let's get started. Looking to manufacture a product but not sure where to start when it comes to sourcing materials? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into some of the most effective methods to source materials for your products. Firstly, consider visiting trade shows. This is a great way to meet vendors, check out samples, ask questions, and even discuss pricing. Next, you can search for vendors online. The internet is a vast resource, and you'd be surprised at how many industry-specific organizations have online directories for suppliers. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good recommendation. Reach out to industry professionals and see if they can recommend any suppliers. If you're part of any industry-related organizations, ask other members for their suggestions. But wait, before you start your search for a vendor, there are a few things you need to do. Firstly, list out the necessary specifications. Understand the kinds of tasks and stresses your product will have to withstand and what that means for your materials. Secondly, learn about industry standards. Many products and materials have to meet strict legal standards, so it's important to be well informed. Thirdly, if possible, make a prototype. Build prototypes of your product using different materials and see which ones perform the best. Finally, create a BOM, that is a bill of materials. This is a list of all materials you'll need for your product. It's a great tool to keep you, your engineers, and your suppliers on the same page. Now that you're familiar with the materials you'll need, let's talk about how to find suppliers. One way is to visit trade shows. This gives you a chance to talk to vendors, look at samples, ask questions, get their contact information, and discuss ballpark pricing. Another way is to search online. There are plenty of online directories that are worth looking at. Some of these include the Plastics News Directory, IQS Directory, RISE for wood and paper manufacturers, and Horticulture International for the food and beverage industry. Lastly, get recommendations. Talk to industry professionals and ask for their suggestions. If you're part of any industry-related organizations, ask other members for their advice. As you talk to different vendors, keep these tips in mind. First, narrow potential suppliers down to a short list of 6 or 7. Second, ask questions about what would best meet your needs. Their insight may help improve your product. Third, remember that pricing is important, but so are reliability and solid service. And lastly, learn to write an effective purchase order. With this information, you're ready to start sourcing materials for your product. Get out there and start making connections. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered how to source materials for your product, from visiting trade shows and searching online directories, to leveraging professional recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We have lots of resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. See you in the next video.